Gunsmithing has been an American art form since the 1800s. How do you make a work of art out of nothing? How does one make a beautiful creation out of a bare piece of metal? Just like a master samurai swordsman known as a tatara in Japan, the finest material in the world is useless without a master craftsman. We believe that every single custom firearm piece should be made with the utmost meticulous care to achieve the ultimate beauty and elegance. Every part we make is a perfect symbiotic harmony between a man and his machine. Inevitably, even the best machine in the world can never duplicate the touch of a human hand in creating a masterpiece. This is why we still hand blend and inspect every single part to perfection. We don't believe in cutting corners by using cheap materials or outsourcing to a foreign country. If you want the best, you just found it. All made in America, by Americans, for Americans. This is our interpretation of the modern samurai. This is how we make a work of art out of nothing.